Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use vitamin E red capsules on your face. This amazing antioxidant offers numerous benefits, helping to protect your skin from environmental damage and promoting a healthy glow. It's known for its ability to deeply moisturize and can even help diminish the look of fine lines, giving your complexion a smoother, more youthful appearance. Let's dive into how to incorporate this into your routine. Before applying vitamin E, ensure your face is clean and dry. Gently wash away any makeup or impurities. Next, take one red vitamin E capsule and carefully puncture it with a clean pin or needle. Squeeze the rich oil directly onto your clean fingertips. Remember, a little goes a long way, so start with just one capsule. Always do a small patch test first to ensure no irritation occurs. Once you have the oil on your fingertips, gently massage it onto your face and neck using upward, circular motions. Pay special attention to areas that feel dry or show signs of aging, like around the eyes or mouth. Apply a thin, even layer to ensure your skin can absorb it without feeling greasy. For optimal benefits, consider using it as an overnight treatment, allowing it to work its magic while you sleep. For best results, incorporate vitamin E oil into your routine 2 to 3 times per week. If you have very sensitive skin, you might consider mixing it with a light carrier oil, like jojoba or almond oil, to dilute its potency. Always store your vitamin E capsules in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight, to maintain their effectiveness. If you experience any irritation, redness, or discomfort, please discontinue use immediately.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.